Hey, True family. You guys, I'm tired today. What's today, y'all? It's Thursday. I'm exhausted. I'm PMSy. Not quite yet, but I can feel it. Ladies, you know what's going down. I'm drained. I'm tired. I always get so exhausted. I'm sorry. I'm tired, and I'm on the clock. I just wanted to come on and do a quick cook with me video. It's cold here in Texas, you guys. I want to say it's like 40 something, 50 something, gloomy, and I feel gloomy. I actually turned my heat on today. Don't tell my husband. I turned the heat on, y'all, because the grandbabies are here. So I have the heat on right now. 70 something, y'all. It ain't too bad. Look, that eyeliner been running, y'all, because I just got done cutting onions. So I'm gonna do a chicken noodle soup. We love savory chicken noodle soup up in this piece, creamy kinda. Really easy to me. You know, get your trio together. You know, that onion, that bell pepper, celery, your chicken, clean it well, whole chicken in my case, for, you know, big family, whole chicken. Season it however you like to season your chicken. I'm kind of keeping it basic. To me, it's basic. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, season salt. What am I forgetting? Salt, pepper, you'll see, but I'm just trying to run it down real quick. Salt, pepper, seasoned salt, seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder. I would like to use a packet of onion soup mix if I have one. I think that's it for my seasoning. Go ahead, put all that on there. Season both sides of your chicken. I'm going to throw it in my crock pot, but if you didn't know, now you know. You can throw that crock pot dish in the oven, just not the lid. It won't take, you shouldn't put that lid in there, but you can use the crock pot up to 400 degrees, remember that. So I'm going to go ahead and use that as, throw it in the crock pot, season both sides, put a little chicken broth in there with my trio, and let it, you know, cook and brown. You can boil it, but I kind of wanted something that I could, you know, let go ahead and cook. I'm on the clock. Let it cook, put it in the oven. When I get off in about an hour or two, it'll be done. Go ahead and shred that bad boy. Put you some egg noodles up in there, or whatever you want to use. Your chicken broth, I am going to add some better than bouillon, because I love that chicken roasted flavor. I'm gonna do that. My house is busy. I'm moving my office, my desk in the den up to the loft upstairs, so I got stuff in boxes. My kitchen is array. It's messed up, y'all. So this house is busy today, just to say the least. So if you see some things out of place, it is what it is. We gonna get it in. All right, let me go in here and throw this together with y'all really quickly. I'm tired. And my husband had me up watching, last night, late watching Van Helsing, the series. I've seen it before, but I'm like rewatching it because they came out with a new season. So I'm starting from the beginning, y'all. I'm rambling. Let me get at it. We'll be back. Okay, y'all, crock pot, really easy. Keep it really simple, y'all. Flavor it to the way you want it, you know. Add your seasonings the way you season your food. I don't have measurements. I just know what I'm doing, you know. Watch, and you can follow, or you can do it your way, but just grasp the concept. Ingredients: minced garlic. I always get a huge one of these, y'all, because I put that shit on everything. I got my whole chicken. Okay, y'all know I hate touching meat. We have, well, I ain't gotta touch it no more, so I can take these off, y'all. I have some cream of chicken. I have cream of mushroom. If I have to use something, because I only have one can of cream of chicken, I may use it. Pepper, seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken broth, chicken broth, y'all. And we got some better than bouillon, and this is the roasted chicken. Get you some. Delicioso. Gotta use it. We got our egg noodles on deck. 1 bell pepper. I want to say it was a medium size. 1 medium size onion. And we got that celery, y'all. I think I used about 3 or 4 stalks of celery. Clean your stuff. Wash it, y'all. Know what you're supposed to do. I am gonna have to touch this chicken. It just don't feel right, y'all. Touching meat and the Okay, so let's go ahead and season this side real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pepper. Let me see. Let me zoom y'all in a little bit more. Can y'all see her getting all dressed up? Oh, y'all, I'm watching Van Helsing. I'm listening to it a little bit. Y'all can't really hear it. Y'all, forget it. Don't worry about it. That was pepper on one side. I'm going to season the other because, you know, once you put on your liquids, it's going to take off some of that stuff from the chicken. So, y'all hear my grandbaby in the background, too. And be generous. Cover it because, you know, it's going to be in a whole bunch of liquid. So, you want that seasoning. I like for my food to be seasoned. I don't know about y'all. Real life. Y'all know this is an active home. But she ain't crying all morning. And now she want to cry. Ain't that some shit? But it's all good. Alright, we got our onion powder. I really like onion pack. Let me see if I got an onion soup package, y'all. I do. I'm going to throw an onion soup packet in here. And y'all might think this is a lot of seasoning, but overall, when you add your chicken broth to onion soup packet, I put that shit on everything. If you ever watched any of my cooking videos, y'all got to hurry up because I'm on my break. I put onion powder. We're going to put some garlic powder.
She tried to make sounds, Mom.
I know. That's why I asked you, was she over there talking? Over there cooing.
I laughed and made it.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
Y'all, onion soup packet. I'm going to put this on the front. And you got to think it's going to dilute those seasonings a lot because this is going to be a hearty soup, a nice sized pot of soup for a family of, and grandkids, counting everybody like 10, you know, 10, 11. So I can make a whole chicken stretch for 11 people. Oh, I gotta wash my hands. I don't like that feeling, Lord. Okay. Okay. And again, repeat on this side. Seasoning. Season the way you want to your discretion. It's kind of like your foundation. If you make dressing and you don't make dressing, it's kind of your foundation for dressing minus sage. You know? And I think each time that I make this, I make it a little bit differently. Honestly, I think I've put sage in mine before, or I've used poultry seasoning. It's what you're in the mood for and to taste. Alright. And I'm going to go ahead and add some minced garlic. I never know how much I'm going to add until I add it. Of course, my measuring spoons aren't in here like they should be. Alright, so I'm going to do 2 tablespoons, generous tablespoons. Oh, I love that smell of garlic, y'all. I don't know about y'all. Did nobody ask you? Did nobody ask Baby True nothing?
I'm not even Baby True anymore.
Oh, whatever you want to be. You changed your channel name?
Yeah.
What is it?
My name.
Oh.
But
Okay.
my nickname.
And I'm going to take this onion soup packet and just sprinkle it all around to the bottom. Alright, y'all. Let's go ahead and add that trio. We'll add our onions. Sprinkle it all around. Oh, that's going to be so good, y'all. And if you want, you can put foil on it. If not, you can just let it bake. I think I'm not going to use foil because I want that crispiness. So when it's floating around in the broth, in the soup, every now and then you'll get that flavor. You know, crispy flavor is a whole different flavor. And celery. That was bell pepper, and I'm using celery now. And then once this is done cooking and I pull it apart and shred it, I'll show you what we do then. But basically, you're just putting it all into one nice pot. Egg noodles, your broth. You probably need to add more chicken broth. This is probably 2 cups that I'm putting in right now that I had left out the refrigerator. And that's gonna be enough for now. Y'all, and put this in the oven. I got the oven. I'm gonna put my oven on 385. And it should go about an hour and we'll be back, y'all. All right, everybody, so I let it sit in the oven at 385 for like an hour and a half, and this joker is juicy and pretty and golden. Do you see what I see? Look at her. Oh, chicken. Yes, she pretty. Y'all see those juices up in there? We're gonna use those. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred the chicken, put everything in a pot, and come back and show y'all what it looked like. And this right here, oh, I'm sorry. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you her. This right here. This is the most important thing so far this evening. I need this in my life because I'm tired. I'm so tired, y'all. I didn't move my desk upstairs. Me and the kids, after yelling and screaming and fussing and hollering, and yeah, it's like pulling teeth. Let me show y'all something though. So I'm about to take the chicken out and get the bones out and shred the chicken. Look at this. Can I just get the chicken? Yeah, fall off the bone. All right, bye. Damn, that's hot. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and finish off this video. I done had phone calls, I done did a live and everything. So here are all the juices and everything left from the chicken. That's my also my bell peppers, my onions, my celery, all in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add my cream of chicken. You know, chicken noodle soup can be made any kind of way that y'all want to make it, y'all. But it's a good hearty meal to stretch for many people. Say you had to use 1 chicken for 11 people. This would be a great way of doing it. Add some egg noodles to it. Make you some chicken noodle soup. I'm putting in a can of cream chicken. You know, really simple, really hearty. Fills them up and they can have a large portion. 1 chicken, 11 people, y'all. For real, for real. I just put some cream chicken in here with my juices and my everything from the oven when I baked it. I'm going to go ahead and add in some more chicken broth. And remember, if you want to keep it really, really on a budget, you don't have to use chicken broth. You can just use chicken broth. You can just use water. Some people just use water. If you really balling on a budget and you got some of them noodles, ramen noodles in there, get those chicken broth packets out of there and put it in here. Yeah, I said it. Get those packets out of that soup pack, out of that ramen noodle packet, and put it in your water, and you got chicken broth if you don't have chicken broth, but you got noodles, you know? Wherever there's a will, there's a way. Let me get this heat going. I went ahead and shredded. I just used the whole carton of chicken broth, you guys. I went ahead and shredded that chicken that you guys saw, that 1 chicken. I shredded that joker up. So we're going to go ahead and add that. Yum. And because it's already cooked, y'all, I'm really just doing this all to... Oh, crap. I'm really just doing this all... Put that in the sink. Doing this all to taste it right now, to see what I want to add. What, you know, because it's up to you what you want to add. Hold on, y'all. I just got off a live. I did a quick little live. I'm looking for, I should have been more prepared, y'all. Oh, there we go. Ooh, y'all want to see what that look like so far? Let me bring it in. Okay. So, there she goes. We're going to go ahead and stir that up some more. Look at that chicken. That right there, y'all. I like white meat, but it is some dark meat in here. I did add my skin in there. I'm gonna get this to boiling. Once it gets to boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add in that those egg noodles, because egg noodles will fill somebody up, y'all. Add in those egg noodles. And it's really that simple. Add in those egg noodles, give them some cornbread, and that's a meal. You can get full off of that. Hey, speaking of chicken, let me see, y'all. Who remembers the wishbone? Do you guys still use your wishbone? Me and my husband still uses. We use the wishbone. We share it and we break it off. Although I feel like he cheats all the time because he got those big man hands. So yeah, 1 chicken for 11 people. Grandkids, you know, hubby, all my kids. Head cut off, but rough. I don't want you to see me anyways because I'm tired. I'm so tired, y'all. I don't know. Let me fix this tripod. I don't know if it's the weather or what, but True is truly tired. She is truly tired. I am going to go ahead and add in these egg noodles. Once it gets to boiling, I'm going to throw the cornbread in the oven. Once everything is complete, you guys, I will go ahead and show y'all the end result. Chicken noodle soup is so easy. That's one way to stretch a meal. So, you know, if you're hard on time, if you're, you know, refrigerator is low, you don't want to go to the grocery store. If you don't have the means to do anything right now and you have these few ingredients in the home, stretch it. Stretch it. Make it do what it do. This could fill up somebody. So yeah, 1 chicken, 11 of us, y'all. Let me go ahead and get her done. All right, y'all. We done. We finally finished. Let me show y'all what it looked like. It looked like money. Look at that, y'all. Y'all don't even know. Look at that. See that? I added some parsley at the end. My egg noodle, and I did add 1 more can of cream of mushroom because I didn't have cream of chicken, so, but it's still good, y'all. And I did add 3 teaspoons of better than bouillon chicken broth. Oh, look at that, y'all. This is hearty. This is enough to fill you up along with the cornbread. We got cornbread over there, so we are done.